Hello, are you ready to draw with me today? I am so excited because what we're going to mash up is going to be super fun. All right, today's suggestion is from Oliver Hendricks, and he would like us to mash up, are you ready for this? A shark and a book. Cool, isn't it? I have my nautical cardigan on. I'm ready to draw, so I'll turn on my projector and let's start. See you in a bit. Okay, as you know, there's no erasing because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. Also, if I'm drawing too fast, please pause the video. And you don't have to draw this mashup exactly how I'm illustrating it. All right, so the first thing you'll need to draw is sort of like a curved line. This is the story of a very unusual book that is also a shark. Okay, I'll make this a little bit more curved up there. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Then draw a line like this. And after this, we're going to draw the shark's mouth, which is open. So draw another angled line, kind of parallel to this, and one that is lower. All right, let's now add all the shark teeth. Not a surprise, I'll try to add 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ton-ton, sharp teeth. Now let's draw another line, okay? Now kind of mimic the curve at the top of the book. All right, now we're about to draw the dorsal fin, so add another line, okay? Then add a triangular line, signature shark look. And then let's draw the bottom portion of the shark. Add one curved line like this, and another curved line like that. Okay, again, this is a very unusual drawing. Then add one sort of leaf-like shape here, and another one right here. As you can tell, I'm out of room. But that's okay, because book sharks don't exist. Then let's add the spine of the book. So add another curved line like this, then draw a line like this. Okay, now let's continue the spine in an unusual way. This is not easy, just follow the curve over there. Okay, now let's add some spine details for the book. Add two curved lines like this, and another one over here, another one over there. Okay, all right, we are almost done. Okay, now add another curved line to mimic the book. Now let's add some pages. Just have fun. So 1, 2, 3 pages. All right. I haven't drawn anything quite like this. I'm having such a great time. All right, the last few details. Okay, not a surprise, draw one big eye and the smaller one. Okay, so how I draw my pupils, I just add two curved lines like this and fill them in. One here and another one over here. Remember, your drawing will be really awesome if you add colors. So use crayons, colored pencils, markers. Okay, let's add some gills. The last two details are going to be the two fins. Right, Oliver, I am done, and I will sign it, and I'll turn off my projector. Oliver, when you get a chance, please email me your address at smileyb@bataclan.com, and I will mail you the drawing. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon here on my YouTube page. And thank you for drawing with me, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed drawing today. Bye.